Hi there, today we're unboxing a wireless gaming controller. So this particular product is compatible with PS3, PCs and Android. So details in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's take a quick look around the packaging. So it comes in a plain black box, nothing too much on there. Black and white, I guess they're the color options. And coming around here, that's all you have. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging, so let me quickly go through them one by one. So initially you've got a user manual, which is multi-language, and basic details on setting up the device. Okay, next you've got a card requesting for feedback on their Amazon store on the product. Then you've got a USB dongle. So if I give you the dimensions of that, so end to end, we're saying about 6.5 centimeters by 2, just a little bit over 2, and the depth being a little bit over 0.5 centimeter. Okay, weight wise, very light, no real weight to it. It's got these round areas here, and build wise seems okay, and an LED light at the back. Okay, next we've got USB to Type-C cable on this. So if I unwind this just to show, build quality of the cable feels really good, nice chunky connectors, and cable is a nice thick type. Okay, and in terms of length, you've got 90 centimeters on that. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual controller. So build wise, very firm, plasticky feel to it, and very strong. In terms of the feel on the buttons, feels nice, good feel to that. And just to show it, flicks back into the middle, and again, good feel to that. Got the click on there as well, and then these, and that must be the one to pair it with a dongle. Okay, and got trigger buttons here. If I bring them around just to show, okay, feels all right actually. For a budget controller, good feel and comfortable in terms of playing position. Okay, so let's make a start at setting up this controller on a PC. So the end of this cable is plugged into my laptop, and I'm going to plug the dongle straight into this. Let's give it a second. Okay, so as that's flashing away, if I now hold on to that, there you go, the flashing stops and the 2 LED lights come on, indicating it's connected. Okay, so now the actual wireless controller set up. On my Windows 10 computer, what I can do, if I just type in game, you'll see this option, set up USB game controllers. If I click on there, then you've got advanced option for that. And this is where you've got multiple devices and you can pick your preferred one. Next, if I go to properties, so this is the actual properties of the controller, and you can have a quick test. So if I grab the controller, and you can see the axes part moving, then you can see the rotation and the axis going, and then if I go through the buttons, you can see the buttons being highlighted. So that sort of gives you the confirmation that it is working correctly. So simple as that, plug and play to get running on your PC. Okay, so now the actual controller's configured on my laptop. I've got Fortnite running here, and I can just show it in action just to show the responsiveness on it. So as you can see, just like any other controller, performance wise, it's very good, very responsive, and in terms of actual feel of playing on this, sort of reminds me a little bit of an Xbox controller in terms of the positioning of the joypads and the buttons on there, and a very comfortable feel using it. Okay, so next I'm going to show how to get this wireless gaming controller working with your Android device. It's very straightforward. I've got an OTG adapter here for my phone, and the actual wireless dongle I'll just plug straight into that, and then that I'll plug straight into my phone. Now you'll notice the light on the end's flashing, and to pair it we need to hold on to this button, and we want the bottom two LEDs or the side two to come on. Okay, so you see an arrow appear, so it seems that in this mode it works as well. So if you hold on to that, it will flip between the different modes. So as you see the hand there, that should mean it should work now. So if I go back into the game, there you go. Simple as that to get up and running on your Android device, no messing around. And responsiveness is great as well, and as you can see, as I'm turning the joystick, you can see the wheel moving at the same time. So very impressive. Simple as that to get configured. Okay, so next I'm going to show how to get this wireless gaming controller working with a PS3. So my PS3 is just here, set up with Call of Duty. I'll take the dongle, plug that in. If I hold on to that for a second, the light turns on in the corner, and that gives the indication that it's controller 1. If I just click resume, and there you go, working straight away as expected. So a great little controller here. So works obviously with a PC, Android device or a PS3. Only unfortunate thing is it doesn't work with a PS4 or an Xbox. So that's a bit of a shame. So if you're not after that sort of functionality and you're just after for a PC, Android or PS3, then this is ideal. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.